fans of impromptu bad cooking and cars, we're doing some half-term lols today. We're going to try and make pies like Spike likes.
Yeah, the higgity.
Yeah, how would you describe the higgity pies?
Delicious.
Delicious. What's in them?
Who knows what they put in them?
Oh, I know. Lentils, red peppers. That's about it. Now here's the thing. They're delicious, but they're like £3.50 for 4 tiny little things.
Probably about the size of this car.
Not even. I'd say half a car.
I'd say maybe 2 cars.
2 cars cut in half. Fine off.
No, like that.
They're not that big. They're like that big. Anyway.
They're like that big.
Okay. Point being.
They're not boxy.
No, they're not
They're
boxy.
round.
Yes. So what we're going to do is make our own hot water crust pastry, because that costs nothing, and we started to make the pie filling. So we'll come on to the hot water crust pastry, but first, yeah, we need to finish our filling. So we've got this bowl.
If you couldn't see it, here it is.
So it is. Now, earlier we roasted these vegetables, which Spike helped to prepare. Thank you. Lovely job.
I peeled the onions.
And that is quite simply onions, carrots,
Peppers.
yeah, and cherry tomatoes that I thought were rotten, but it turned out that the container of chickpeas in the fridge
had leaked.
had a broken bottom, which is a terrible state of affairs. Have you ever had a broken bottom? Spike?
Maybe when I had diarrhea.
Yeah.
That was very splutty.
Lovely, that's a lovely story. Okay, do you want to do it?
Bit loud. It's bit loud wet.
It's very splatty, like a broken bottom.
Indeed.
Now, I don't want to turn it into a puree. A little bit of the texture of the vegetables in there. Because it's a pie and not a soup, as you rightly observe. I'm going to taste that. And all the... Do you get that with these? The dishwasher juice runs out the bottom. That's disgusting. However, the front end is
Tomato.
pretty damn good. Now we've got that, we need to add lentils. Here are some lentils we stewed earlier with some stock in. I'm quite happy with how these have turned out. They kind of steamed the last. So we need to get the proportions right. You know what I mean? So, tell me when you think we've got enough lentils to roast vegetable sludge. I think...
That's good.
Yeah, I think maybe one more and we'll stir it in. Do you want to stir it in? Oh, God. Hard work at the lentil face. You're a lentil face.
No. The lentil fairies are lentil.
The lentil fairies, that would be a very hard job. How many lentils do you think there are in the world?
Billions.
Billions. I mean, we've got billions.
We have.
We have.
Okay, then trillions.
Because we're vegan hippies. I mean, what do you expect? Get it fully incorporated? Great. Now, to me, that's a bit runny for a pie filling.
Yes.
Have a taste. Good? Does it need anything? Okay.
Apart from its crust.
I think it needs more lentils. Otherwise, I think it's going to be a bit too gloppy and sloppy. And Dad will get stroppy. If that car goes in there, it's not coming out.
Until when someone...
That'll be the lucky pie that someone breaks their teeth on. You're so lucky! Very nice. I don't feel it. Yeah, no, that's lucky, mate. You got the lucky one.
You won the Jaguar.
You won the Jag.
Won
My teeth are bleeding.
Okay, and a doctor appointment.
Yeah. All right. Let's hope that that sort of solidifies a bit. I feel like it's runnier. Maybe a few more lemons.
Nah.
Yeah, a few more.
You know you can just put some of the lentils in the pot for school, and then I would just eat it.
Oh, well, yeah, we might freeze some of that. All right, I'm calling it. That's fine. Now, we're not going to muck about with this pastry business because normally I do it all by eyeball. But I feel like we need to know what we're doing this time. We're going to weigh everything out properly, like serious chefs. We need 110 grams
Oh,
of
vegan.
handily vegan
Nerd.
lard. Blech. This is like Marge with all the joy taken out. And actually, we might go 50-50, so we might do something. 74 grams of that. Don't knock that off the scales. Or you'll do another month in the cellar, boy. Oh, God, that's so dark. Flora Plant Power.
Doctor!
Beurre. Please don't punch the butter. Thank you.
That's a good tip whilst you're cooking.
Yeah, don't punch the butter. 104. 105. 109. 110. Yes, alright, fine. We're going to use that. Don't put it on your head. We're vegans, we don't eat nits. Right. Now, 280 grams of water, which frankly is a mad way to measure water. Shh. 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 280 grams. Shh. 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 How many grams is that? 383. 307. 289. 283. Oh God. 280. Yes.
It's a half pint.
I guess it is. Right. We're going to warm that up. But because it's hot water crust pastry, we've got to be ready. The minute this pastry is done, we've got to start making with it because it sets effectively really fast. So we need everything in place for when that moment comes. We need our pans greased, filling ready, board prepared for rolling. Everything's got to be all set.
Alright.
I'm going to add a little bit of salt to that. Now I read that you can add fresh herbs to hot water crust, but who has fresh herbs? So we'll put a little bit of this Italian herbs in, shall we? Apparently if you're a witch on a budget. Whoops now! Italian herbs are, you can do witchcraft with these apparently. Let's weigh out the flour. No! Oh no, the chocolates fell out of the cupboard. Whatever will we do? Look at it. Like a Hoover. Oh, come on. You know, I went to Tesco's the other day to buy some corn flour. Couldn't find it. Spent half an hour looking for it. Found another woman looking for it who'd found a store assistant. I was like, are you looking for corn flour? She's like, yeah. The store assistant phoned the product manager of the store who said, yeah, no, we're not selling it at the moment. I was like, what do you mean it's like not in stock? He's like, no, I mean we're not selling it. So you stopped selling corn flour? What's that? Is that a Ukraine thing? Is that an energy thing? Is that a Brexit thing? What the hell is going on? I found that quite troubling. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I don't use corn flour all the time, but well, you saw I needed it the other day.
What are the ingredients to corn flour?
Corn. That's it. It's just ground up dried sweet corn.
We
Crazy.
can make our own.
We could make our own. I mean, I think it would take several days, and Daddy would end up crying. Right.
Especially when you put your finger in there whilst it's being grinded.
Yes, I don't know why I do that. First thing to do, you need a clean, dry surface, free of model cars. Free of model cars.
Should I get my over 300 car model car collection?
No, God, no. Can you grease these? You know how to do that, right? So we're going to make a big pie in this that hopefully will work for our dinner tonight, I guess.
Yeah.
You're doing a lovely job there. Shall I grease up this one?
Well, you can get the things ready. I'll grease that.
Okay. Carving onion powder. Could you stir those together with a spoon, please?
Should you be able to carve onion powder?
No, it should be fresh and light. Now, for the last time, may you please put your cars anywhere else.
Okay.
That doesn't include Daddy's bum. I've been caught out like that before.
Quickly. Just very quickly. Quiet.
Just showing a good close-up of this stuff so that you can't see how filthy the hob is.
I can't really.
It's snowing. Look, it's snowing. What are you doing?
I want to punch
No,
it.
please don't punch it.
It's punched now.
Okay, great. This is boiling. So I'm going to dump it in. Here we go. I'm going to do it all in one.
It's Lord!
Oh God. It's in.
Oh Lord!
Oh Lord, won't you brag?
I'm going to need to vomit into a ladle.
That's disgusting. Okay, I need to work this in fast.
God, it's disgusting.
Just going to cook the flour. Come on. Come on. Come together. Come on. Come on. Oh, it looks very dry. Oh, ow, that's hot.
Oh no.
Ow. Ow. Why do they call it hot water? Ow.
I'm so sorry.
Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh God. Oh God. Come on. Commit. Ow.
No. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Okay, I think that's
Let me see
probably
how-
in the scoring you can. We have dough. Let's do it. Could you move that bowl over onto somewhere else?
Okay.
No, not the living room. Okay.
There we go.
Quite fast. Oh God! Can you get pastry cutters out?
Okay,
They're in the. Yes, that's exactly where they are. Well done.
Pastry cutter. Where the hell are you? Pastry cutters.
Oh, this is. What do we think about that big? Let's do carry it around the thing.
Okay, I got
I'm going to
something.
say about that big. Get this on the rolling pin. Hang on. Do this
Doesn't
first.
really work.
Whoop. In you go. In you go. Go on.
Go on.
Go on.
Go on, son.
Gee, I'm going to pull some of this out.
What's this taste like?
Nothing. I suspect. Oh God. How's it taste?
It's pretty nice, actually.
Does it?
I think it's
That's
the
good.
herbs.
Yeah. I need to do some fixes on this. We need to work fast. I'm okay with that. We're going to need a lid. Why didn't I... about that big. It needs to be a bit over, I'm guessing. Something like that. Let's fill it up with filling. Oh, this has got thicker, that's good.
Yeah. Eat.
I will. That's a massive piece of pastry. Oh yeah, it's okay.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah. Okay, I reckon that's probably enough. Oh my god!
It's a bit hot.
No, it's just the kind of...
It's a bit warm, wet and brown on the floor.
Oh dear.
Wet?
Trying to crimp this together to seal it and failing and fine.
What the hell's a...
Don't know. Is it a pie? I don't know.
I don't know.
Done. Whack it in.
In 32 minutes, 50 seconds.
Okay. What's happened here? What's all this?
I was testing out my new cake cutter.
Where are the round ones? We need round ones. Did you find round ones?
No.
So, we need to see how many we can do here.
Is this of any use? Is this of any use?
No. So, thanks very much.
No, I'm going to put that there, squidge it in with the rest.
It's got a massive gash in it. I wonder why, Spike.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's really fine. Look,
I
all of
feel
this is... No, don't be silly. This is just an experiment, all of this. If we end up with something edible off the back, then great. If not, there's a chip shop just 3 minutes walk from here.
There is, actually.
I can feel this pastry starting to kind of solidify a bit. I'm wondering if it's re-rollable. Do you think we can re-roll it?
I think
we should
we
try.
can.
Can you gather up all the bits then if we can't make any more full circles?
Yeah, we're gonna...
You rick-rolling our poor viewers.
We just want it filled.
Yeah. Lovely. Oh god, it's tough. I can feel it. It's going all rubbery. Well, I'm not being funny, but I think our filling tastes really good. I'm going to whack these in the oven and we're going to pray. Wait! No, later. Later, don't put that in your mouth. Oh my god. Later we will brush these with some soy milk as a glaze. In the meantime, well, I'll show you when they come out. If they come out. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm going to see if I can turn this pie out, which I think may end in disaster. So I'm going to do it once and then another time. Here's the pie. Gosh, it's heavy. My anxiety is that just the filling is going to come. Okay then. Oh god. Oh god. Come on. It's just as I feared. Lid is now loosening. This is bad. If it doesn't work this time, I don't think it's going to work. Some of it, not all of it. Yes! All right. Hey! Look at that! It's a pie. I should have put it on a chopping board. That would have made more sense. Hey! It's a piece of pie. Check it out. Look at that. I am okay with that. It's really good. We got lucky with the filling because it's holding together, but it's also quite, it's a trigger word, moist. It's just, it's really, it's worked. I don't know if I could ever replicate this, but it's good. That's delicious. Well, if you want to know how to make this, I don't know. You just have to have a play. Thanks for watching.